Have you ever been coding in Kotlin only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the expression cannot be a selector error in Kotlin and showing you exactly how to fix it. I understand how annoying it is when you're trying to build your Android app and an error message pops up out of nowhere. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when transitioning to Kotlin. Let's get to the bottom of it together. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "What does it mean when I see the message expression cannot be a selector in Kotlin?" They mentioned they were trying to set a click listener on a button and encountered this error. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? In Kotlin, the syntax is a bit different from Java. The error occurs because of how you're referencing the activity context. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the issue, the user should first understand that in Kotlin, the syntax for accessing the context of an activity is different from Java. Instead of using main_activity.this, the user can simply use this. Next, the user should modify the click listener to correctly reference the context. This can be done by replacing main_activity.this with this in the toast function. Additionally, the user should ensure that the click listener is set up properly. The lambda expression syntax in Kotlin allows for a more concise way to define the listener. Finally, the user should test the application to confirm that the toast message appears correctly when the button is clicked. This will verify that the changes have resolved the issue. Did you know? Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, but it also introduces some unique syntax that can trip up even experienced developers. You're definitely not alone in facing these challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using application context instead of main_activity_this. This resolves the error by correctly referencing the context. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to check your context references when transitioning from Java to Kotlin. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You've successfully resolved the expression cannot be a selector error in Kotlin. Remember, understanding the differences in syntax is key to mastering Kotlin. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our bonus pro tip on coding best practices.